Fucking delicious. Get a swoof of that. Welcome to my fishing channel. Here we have the man, the myth, the legend, Johnny boy. Old dad. Currently talking about let's eat some possum. See what they taste like. Dad reckons it'll be.
Yeah, I reckon that'd be good. Be good for you.
Holy buckaroo. Shit balls. Beautiful. Dad reckons, well, you don't just fish in one spot, eh? He reckons you go fishing in a spot, and then if you catch nothing, move along. Just like a relationship. If you're getting nothing, move along. Just gotta wait for this bad boy to come out. There he is. If I video, welcome to my fishing channel, we'll catch like heaps of big snapper again. You reckon? Dog biscuits for the dogs. It's the yellow bullet. What do you call her?
Cunt.
The yellow cunt.
I call her
Beauty.
Beauty.
Your yellow beauty.
Doesn't catch it, I think it's a cunt.
Trace is ready. He fucking hates the camera. I got a video on the down low. Stop fucking filming, it's fucking bad luck. He reckons the camera should only come out when you catch a fish. He's gonna get ho-ha with me real quick. From Temu. Cheers. It's a little cute shot glass, really. Coffee shop. It's a bit of shit soon.
There she goes. The launcher. Oh, you timed it pretty good.
Kill a goose. Hurry up and fucking do it. Some people come to fish to relaxing. I come to stress you out. There we go. Go down there. Go stand by the fucking bait so the birds don't take it. Yes, sir. He's over there. Look at that. Yeah, it goes from surfing waves, big swells, to flats. Fucking delicious. Get a swoof of that. Some OnlyFans feet pics. Right, Dad's having a jam at taking it out. He reels, I pull. I can see two. Yeah, baby. Two fish. Hello, mate. Sorry, mate. Let's get that out of you. There you go. Go back into the water. There you go, my bro. Ah, not this way. Other way, bro. Other way. Live your little life. Fucking fish fingers. Trouble one of each. Mixture of kahawai and squid. Cheers to my little coffee cup, man. Beauty day of fishing at the beach. And try and bring the camera out with me now. And she's gone. Told me to put my fucking phone away. Just bad luck. And I said, nah, because the last time we caught heaps of fish, I was filming it. So I told him, it's fucking good luck. And we already got 2 kahawai. Not snapper, but still, it's good luck. I'm gonna go and interview Dad. Anything to add to your fishing channel?
Never caught kahawai.
Caught 2 kahawai. We've got 2 fishies. 3 fishies. Hey! 1 fishy. Oh, it's a baby one. Baby fish. Beautiful. Vibing. It's a vibe. She's vibing. I'm not touching that. Yuck. Fucking shark. Hi, my name is Bruce. Bro. Here we go. Bye, Sharky. Bye, Bruce. And there we have it, whānau. The taking home 1.5 kahawai. We put 2 kahawai back, and Bruce went back to the ocean too.
I reckon it'll be.
There we have it. Shabong, shabong. Sha-la-la-la-la, shabong.